My guest is Mr. Pascal Bonne, the President of the Management Board of Dalkia Polska. Pascal, as you know, the Commissioner for Climate, Connie Hedegaard, is coming to Warsaw on 18th of June. Because of that, I would like to collect short opinions of most prominent experts on the Polish market and present these opinions during the Commissioner's visit in Warsaw. Therefore, I have prepared some questions for you. I would like you to express your opinion on what you think the most important technologies right now are for Poland. For example, the renewable energy or CCS, or nuclear technology or energy efficiency technology.
Okay, probably CCS or nuclear energy are long-term projects, but surely they are very quick wins in terms of protection of climate and protection of environment, which are energy efficiency and cogeneration, because it's bringing immediately some good savings in terms of CO2 emission.
Thank you very much. What are the directions the investment should be directed right now in Poland? Is it, in your opinion, the energy sources, or is it power grid, or is it energy efficiency of final users, or is it transport?
On our standpoint, since we are more involved in heating and cogeneration, obviously what we have in mind is to encourage as much as possible energy efficiency at the consumer level, obviously. This is the first point. And the second thing, obviously, is also to develop as much as possible in our own installation new technologies, like combustion of biomass, like implementing new small cogeneration wherever we can make it.
Thank you very much. I would like to find out what you think about the strategy. What should Poland's strategy be? Is it the preservation of national resources? Is it adaptation to climate changes? Is it increase of energy consumption per capita? Or is it energy efficiency? What should be the strategy?
Well, energy efficiency obviously is important, but also safety of supply of energy is a very strong point. And on this respect, when I'm looking at Poland, where strong base of the energy is coming from coal, we still have to rely on coal on the long term. So we have to build a strategy which is a combination of various aspects, and also probably on flexibility on fuels, variety of fuels, and to make sure that we have the adequate equation between availability of resources, safety of energy, as well as protection of environment.
Thank you very much. And my last question, what do you think is the most important task for Poland right now in terms of energy and climate policy?
Probably most importantly is, first of all, develop the spirit of energy efficiency at the whole levels of the country, at the individual level, organizational level, etc. The second point, which is very important for us as investor, is to create a legal framework which is stable, sustainable, and which is not changing too often, so that as investor we can really make the appropriate investment, have a long-term vision on the strategy, and be able to make the good decisions. I see what the new changes in the energy law that are upcoming in the coming weeks and months, and they are very positive. They are going in the right direction, and my wish is that we are able to go just a little further, maybe a little quicker if it's possible, but anyway to have a set strategy, and then to continue on the same line and avoiding back and forth position, for instance, where we would have to regret some investment, for instance.
Pascal, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. My pleasure.